So today we're going to be mounting this big elk head. I also have a video on how to clean this, so I'll put that video, the link to that video, in the description section also. So now, first thing that we will need will be a board. I'm just using this. You can make a whole thing on the back if you want to, but I'm just going to be mounting it over there on that wall so it's already kind of stuff. All I need is something to put this on. So I can just, this is going to be the front, so I'm just going to flip it over. I got my hanger. You want a pretty heavy duty one. 2 nails that won't go through here. 3-inch screws. Drill bit for drilling this out. Hammer. So anyway, I will put this on the back of it, center it the best I can, pound it in on the back, and then we gotta figure out, we gotta center this skull on here, and think of this as our wall, so that we can put the antlers where we want it, and then drill the holes through it and stuff. So anyway, I'll put this on, and then we will start putting the skull on. So here it is. I'll mount it up there. I have to put a few things back here to hold it out a bit, but just put 2 screws in the back. Looks real nice. So anyway, there's how to mount an elk skull. If you guys like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.